Christmas morning.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Hi, darling. Come on in.
Come on in. We gotta go see Dr. Come on in. Come on in.
Hi. That sounds like a reverse sneeze, but keep that handy to show Dr. Ward when she comes in.
Alright, looks like we got some mail. Let's see what we got. Here.
I've been waiting for you to open that package ever since it came yesterday.
How long has it been here?
It came yesterday afternoon. I really wanted to open
Please
it.
do not use a knife, so I'm being careful.
Anything that's packaged in a gray tarp, it's gotta be cool.
It's gotta be good.
It's gotta be.
Oh, look.
I'm with Dr. Smith though. You could have used that tarp for something.
Want to save the tarp?
No, I don't need it.
And you like at Christmas time, you save the wrapping paper?
No, my grandma does though.
No.
Don't rip it.
Hope it's not breakable. Ooh, it's
Christmas
got color.
morning.
Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
What is it?
Family Vet Colors. We sell Max.com. This is not an advertisement. But look at that.
What are the nuts?
It's a comfy mat. I got this idea from Dr. Sue, the cancer vet. This is the way they treat dogs with chemotherapy. They lay down on this mat and have to take 30 minutes, an hour to get their chemo. So I thought we could use it for laser therapy. And so there's a lot of older dogs that have arthritic joints and pain, and they come in for laser treatment. So if you treat several joints with the laser, it can take 20, 30 minutes for a session. So it's easier for people to sit on the floor. And also I think they try it in exam room 3 and experiment with it and see some of these pets that we want to examine on the floor if they're more comfortable on this mat rather than the hard floor. So
That's a good idea.
it's just
That
an
is a good
experiment.
idea.
See, if you guys like these ideas, you like this video, please comment below. This is not a TV show. This is an interactive process, so we want to hear what you have to think. And also, please subscribe and tell your friends about us.
Hey, how are you guys doing today?
Mama gonna feed you
Dr.
that whole
Rory,
jar.
it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. I hear Foxy's doing pretty well today. She's just been coughing a little bit at home. Sophie says you have a video of that.
Oh, I like your phone cover. That's pretty cool.
Can I borrow one of Foxy's cookies?
They look like little, almost
Are they
biscotti.
sweet potatoes?
Oh, it's chicken jerky. They do got sweet potatoes
Oh, okay.
Huh.
wrapped in chicken.
Sweet potatoes wrapped in chicken.
Ooh.
Sounds like something we could eat.
Mm-hmm.
And that little box.
It's real. They just dried it out, but it's like a jerky.
Okay, that is a reverse sneeze.
Okay.
So that is, a lot of times, especially when the air is cold and dry, they'll get some irritation in their upper airway, and it makes them do that kind of honking type sound. Sometimes it's allergy related, so sometimes you could actually do an antihistamine, and that is helpful. How long has she been doing that?
Since I have.
Since you have, okay. Has it gotten worse or just
No,
been
it's
about the
still
same?
about the same.
Okay. The best thing to do when she does that is just kind of keep her calm and kind of talk her through it. Like I said, it's just
That's
irritation
what I do. I be
in the
rubbing her down.
in the upper airway.
She
But
be scaring me.
we'll give you a dose.
I be
of-
rubbing her back, so I'll rub up here.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
helps.
It's
Alright.
a scary thing. I mean, it sounds like us having an asthma attack, but it's really not that dangerous for them, though it does.